Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to yet another video on the effspot channel. We got Mr. Hedgehog obviously admiring the 118 scale Centenary Roadster in launch spec. Check this out, guys. Athena Beauty. Picked this up in Japan. Never really got to showcase it on the channel, I think. I'm starting to lose track of all the model cars, but the only defect on this thing is it's kind of missing the Lamborghini logo in the rear here. I didn't really pick that up when I picked this up. Obviously, I bought it used, got a really good price. I'd like to thank all of you guys for the support, and I strive to bring you guys the most exclusive content and being the most diverse automotive YouTube channel. And of course, I can't do it without any of you guys, including Mr. Hedgehog. So we're headed back to Italy for a 12-day Mondo trip. We'll be covering Villa d'Este, the Bugatti Raduno, possibly Top Marks. We'll be headed to Sardinia. So of course, today's video is sponsored by none other than Raid Shadow Legends, right over here, guys, on my tablet, ready to rock and roll at the drop of a hat. Playing this at the airport and on the airplane, guys. So without them, this trip is not possible. Let's talk a little bit about the game. This is the most ambitious RPG project of 2019, and it just got released. Playing Raid is the most immersive experience you'll ever find on a smartphone. And of course, this game is completely 100% free. It's got an amazing storyline, awesome 3D graphics, giant boss fights, PvP battles, and hundreds of champions to collect and customize. The graphics and level of detail on these champions are insane, guys. We're hooking you up on the effspot channel. Raid's special launch tournament is happening right now, and it's getting real big fast. So go to the description below in this video and download Raid only through my special link to get 50,000 silver immediately. And here's the best part. You'll also be automatically entered into their special launch tournament where you can compete with me and other players for crazy in-game prizes and physical prize packs with collection edition figurines, power banks, t-shirts, and more. So winners will get them delivered straight to their house. I'll see you guys there. All right, guys, so our buddy Eddie just informed us that there's a free gas giveaway at the local Mobile One gas station here in Glendale. Now, luckily, we are in the neighborhood. We're surrounded by a lot of Beamers. And if you arrive there between the hours of 11 a.m. to 2 p.m. PST, you will get a free tank of gasoline for your BMW. Any year, any model, Beamers only. So we're gonna go around the block, see what's up. There it is, guys. Free gas if you bring your Beamer to the Mobile One. Check out the line, baby. Woo! Oh my goodness, yes! Woo! Oh yeah! Ladies and gentlemen, this is the content that you subscribe for on my channel. Alarms going off. Look at all the kids! Look at all the kids! Woo! Yeah! They're like, I want to be an F-boy just like these guys when I grow up. Now, please don't take any offense when I say F-boy. That word honestly gets thrown around like a beach ball at a concert, so there you guys have it. Oh, ooh, we got some, some cars revving. Oh yeah. Vroom, 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 vroom. A lot of viewers here don't live in the state of California, so you can understand why this is such a big deal here. As you can see or observe, at the very least, we're looking at $4.45 for a tank of premium gasoline here. Oh, whoa! It's still going around the block, guys. Even the BMW i8, ladies and gentlemen. We got the M6 convertible. Oh, there's another M6 convertible over there too. Dude, guys, are you kidding me right now? Look at this. That's a hot color. Oh yeah. Oh wait, it's still going around. Holy! Oh my! Guys, we're gonna have to flip a Yui, and we're gonna go investigate how deep this line of Beamers goes here in Glendale. Oh my goodness! Hold on, the line just keeps on going, baby. Every imaginable make, model, color, SUV, wagons, sedans, coupes, convertibles. I mean, dude, we're still going, baby. We're still going. Look at this. Anything and everything to get that free tank of gas at the local Mobile One service station, baby. And I think we finally arrived at the end of the line. Unfortunately for that individual, the giveaway or the free tank of gas ends at 2 p.m. So if he arrives there at 2 p.m. or past 2 p.m. rather, will he get the free tank of gas? Time will tell. Guys, we're currently here at the Ogara dealership. Check out the blue calipers on this Chiron that just came in. Now, I don't know if the camera is picking it up, but we think it's a two-toned carbon fiber finish. Great spec, but unfortunately, it's got the US bumpers. But luckily, throwing a screwdriver, ready to roll. So we're coming at a different angle here. Maybe it's just one colored, I think, but it's the sun that's playing tricks on our human eyes, so to speak. Check out the interior right over here. Blue and black. Great combination. We got a better angle right over here. Check that out. Yes. Welcome to Beverly Hills. We're currently here stuck in prime time, 6:42 p.m. traffic here in the 90210, and look to my left. There's 3 people in that Porsche. He looks so bummed. Just wait for it, guys. What is that? Oh, wow. Guys, check this out. We just found the Koenigsegg Regera chilling in a random garage here in the depths of the 90210. Dan the man, or Dan M.I.'s Koenigsegg Regera, spotted in the wild. You never see cars in this part of town or in this particular garage. So here it is in all its glory, all shined up. Oh shit, someone just found a 4GT.
Stop up?
I don't know, wait.
GT. So.
Whoa, I think that's under...
It's under a parking
montage. That's my guess.
Alright. We'll park on camera.
We'll check, yeah. Who's this doofus?
It's a Ford.
Look at that.
It's a Ford.
Dude, we're car spotting. Alright, we found a 4GT on Snap Map, but wait, guys. We're gonna go forward just a little bit. I found a real treat for you guys. We might get demonetized. Hold on, wait for it.
Titties are bouncing and bouncing and bouncing. Titties are bouncing all day long. Bounce, bitch.
I gotta go.
Oh shit, there it is. The 4GT. It literally just drove past. Oh, you're not gonna make. He went straight, I think. Oh, it is right there. Yes. That's sick. Oh yeah. That's hot. Whoa. Damn. We think it's Gabriel Iglesias's 4GT. Check that out. Hold on. Whoa.
Yeah, that's it.
You think that's him?
100%.
Or are you gonna
Exactly 100%. Like him.
Oh shit, respect. Got Max Showstack joining us in the Lexus CT 200 or 250 or 300, I don't really know. But we spotted a pretty sick Lamborghini SVJ right over there, so that thing is hot. I don't think the camera is doing this any justice. There's some odd glare, and we got the matte black G-Wagon to accompany the SVJ Coupe. Max, how many did they make? Quick.
Too many.
Correct answer. Way too many, and this is not even including the allocation or the number that they're making for the Roadsters. Check this out. So it's a little dark here, but as soon as you step right over here, this is the hot spot. I spotted a black Enzo here years ago on like a Wednesday night. I was the only one here. So we just got word from our buddy Eddie, our local hype beast guru. Check this out. We got Lil Pump in front of the exact same SVJ that is being pictured right over here. Not too shabby, guys. And it's got the sick ass wheels. What color are the calipers? Are they gold or silver? There's like a bronze, matte, red finish. 5% tint all around. And of course, rocking it, no front plate, and the dealer plate on the back. Look at this guy, look at this guy. Oh my God. Crazy. Wow, custom exhaust. Oh yeah.
He hit a box.
He hit a box? Trash can? Guys, there's a busted up total Bentayga in the back here. Currently filming with my cell phone. We got the BHPD on the scene here. We're gonna do a quick U-turn and see what's what. Holy crap. Yeah, all the airbags went off too. Hold on, guys. We're going to do a quick U-turn. Stay tuned. Do a little, you know what I'm saying? Look. Hey! Tow trucks here. Check out that Bentayga, dude. It is... That's mashed, bro. That's mashed. That's crazy. Hold on. Let's go on over here. Oh, that's bad. Woo! Yowzer. I'm gonna zoom in on my crappy cell phone here. Actually, it's a pretty decent cell phone, but yeah, that sign's gone right over there. You just beached it up here on the center median. Whoops. Yeah, we're currently here on the city line. Robertson and Burton right over here. Robertson Boulevard is the cutoff line for Beverly Hills, so a couple feet over that way, there have been 10 cruisers from the BHPD, but alas, we're in the LA City proper. Oh my goodness. Yeah, but it's pretty funny seeing the difference between how BHPD responds versus LAPD. We're probably thinking it's not a hit and run, otherwise they wouldn't have towed a car immediately. And there would be definitely more cops on the scene doing a little investigation. So it must be like a single car crash here. At least that's our theory. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. We just can't explain how this car's door got messed up here, guys. We're thinking either he made a right turn coming onto Burton here from Robertson, or he's making a left turn from Robertson onto Burton and hit the sign right over there. But look at this car. Just, did he not see the cone? There you go. Fucking idiots of Los Angeles, man.
All the debris.
Yeah, why would he drive through all the debris? Jesus. Wait, what is this piece here? What the heck?
Oh, that was the driver's door.
Oh yeah, you're right. Driver's door. How the fuck? Oh my god.
Oh, he hit the traffic light.
Yeah, it's a traffic light for the left turn here.
Right there. Look, there's a tire mark, so he came this way.
Oh, so he's going this way, hit it? That's crazy. Damn. Well, that's that, guys. RIP. There's like shit strewn all over the place here. All right, Max, Eddie, what piece are you gonna pick up?
What is this? Yeah,
That's the driver's door right there.
It's the biggest.
It's a hefty piece, man.